kung isa kang OFW, it's always possible. Kahit nasa CR ng bahay mo, kahit nasa bedroom ng bahay mo, kahit nasa balcony ng bahay mo, pwede kang mag-start ng maliit na business na katulad nito. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 at pang-5 to.
Ang kaibigan ngayon.
He let you go alone?
Yeah.
What he said? What you told him?
I leave. My dad is in the parking. I was lying.
Kung isa kang OFW, now is a perfect opportunity para sa iyo para magkaroon ng sarili mong tinatawag na business. It's early morning ngayon dito sa Dubai. It's Saturday, so wala tayong pasok. So yan, alauna na ng gabi tayo nakatulog kagabi kasi hindi natapos tong mga ginagawa nating perfume. Ito yung order guys, ito yung order sa atin yan. Iba't ibang order sa mga kababayan natin yan. Ito, tagwa 100 ml, 50 ml, at saka may 10 ml din yan, yung mga free. And hindi lang yan, sa part din na to yan. Yan yung mga order din sa atin, yung mga yan, see? Look at that. It's a mixture of personal na order at saka yung rebranding natin at saka reseller. At hindi pa rin natapos, marami pa tayong ipiprint yan sa mga rebranding. Hindi pa rin tapos yung trabaho dito. Pati si madam hindi pa rin tapos simula kagabi. So yan guys, pinapakita lang natin sa inyo yung delivery natin just for today. Sa isang araw lang yun. Ngayong umaga lang, gumising tayo, may nag-order na naman. So yeah, dito lang din to sa Dubai. So yan ngayon, again, i-add natin sa order natin anya. So yan guys, medyo busy tayo. Ito yung ito yung breakfast natin. Yan, fried rice at saka itong Milo with fresh milk. So yan yung breakfast natin guys, anya. How's the breakfast, man?
The best fried rice in the world.
The best fried rice, look at that. How it become the best? Look at that. How's the what is the piece of the egg? This is like fried egg.
Guys, it's the best because it's a priceless fried egg. It's made by my mom.
Wow!
Increment.
So guys, look at that. Katatanggap lang niya ng sahod niya 3 days ago. Ngayon naghahingi na ng increment. What is this, my friend? Work first din ng increment. You're breaking the law of UAE for us to increment.
I'm working for 4 months. Sorry, what do you call it? 4 resellers. 4. 3 resellers.
Not resellers, rebranding.
3 rebranding. See, I have to make the stickers. I have to make the name. I have to print. I have to do.
So I will tell you something. There is easy money, but you have to work for it.
Guys, no need increment. It's okay because I didn't spend my salary on anything for the past like a week.
What is your salary? What do you spend for?
In my pocket. I didn't
Your
spend.
pocket. So imagine every day if you ipon your salary after 1 year from now or 6 months from now, you'll have more money.
1,000.
Yes,
more
than enough.
I can buy myself a Lamborghini.
Ferrari.
I need increment ba so that I can get the Lamborghini next year.
So next year you will get increment, okay? Then, so yan guys, papunta tayo ngayon, i-drop natin si Ishan sa Karate Kid class niya. So ngayon yung pangalawang linggo niya sa class niya. So yatin natin. So let's go!
So hey guys, another day, another day. I mean, sorry, wrong line. Another day, another karate. So today is my second day of karate class. Last time it was good because coach sensei was good. He was kind. But I think maybe by the end of this month, I learn how to I master the ways to following my mom's lubot. So yes, hopefully in the future I will master karate and do a 720 kick on my mother's lubot again.
What is the benefits of karate?
Kicking someone's lubot. I mean self-defense.
So if someone bully you in your school, what you will say?
Teacher!
You will go to teacher always, huh? Advise them, if someone bully you, go to teacher.
Guys, if you're the bully, you cry first so that it will look like if someone bullies
If
you,
you're the bully, you cry first, it should look like
yeah. No witnesses because everybody's scared of you.
Sa 39 degrees Celsius ngayon yung init dito, tingnan nyo sa loob ng sasakyan. So napakainit ngayon dito guys sa Dubai. Talagang isang minuto mo sa labas talagang mafe-feel mo na kagad yung init dahil sa yun nga, it's Middle East. So
30 seconds and you're already sweating.
kaya lang wala tayong magagawa dito tayo. So ang maganda dito kasi lahat naman talaga may aircon. So yan. So yan guys, nandito na tayo sa karate school ni Ishan. Yan. Itong building na to. So let's go, yalla. Ready? Ready to fight? Go quick because I don't have parking. Maybe will find us. So yan guys. Ito yung building kung saan siya nag-aaral. So yung class niya. So ito yung lugar guys kung saan siya nag-aaral. Yan, ito yung Aikido. So ito yun. At that. Go inside. So ito yun. So yan guys. Wala masyado siyang kasama ngayon kasi lahat daw ng mga estudyante nagbabakasyon eh. So siya lang muna yung andun. Pero mamaya may mga kasama siya. Darating yung iba. So yan. So let's go home now. And patuloy natin yung business. Back to business tayo. So let's go home. So yan guys, ito na yung natin, yung finish sticker. Yan, ready to fill na. Tapos na natin lagyan ng film collection sticker. Look at that. So yan. So dito guys, ito yung box natin, ito yung sticker, ito yung logo. At dito naman guys, look at that. Dito mo makikita ang social media ng Film Collection. Dito yung WhatsApp at saka TikTok page. And yeah, sa brochure natin makikita nyo din yung Facebook page sa barcode natin. So yan, yan yung tag-iisang order natin. Ito 100 ml. So ang 100 ml, so may dalawang free ka na tag 10 ml. Dito naman 50 ml, tatlo yung bibilhin mo, may free ka na isang 1 ml. So yung mga yon, I think apat na 100 ml, hindi ako sure. So mamaya ready na to. So isang kuliktahan lang nung courier. So yan, lalagay natin sa labas, an pupunta yung courier, an i-pick up, an i-deliver dun sa mga bumili sa atin. So yan. Yan, ginagamitan natin ng ng bubble pack. Itong bubble pack na to, maganda puputok yan. So yan. Lalagay natin dyan. Tapos babalutin. Yan, babalutin na ni Madam ngayon. Wow, may divider pa oh. May division oh. Partition. So yan. Babalutin natin ng bubble pack. Look at that. So, safe na safe. Kung sino man ang bumili nito, 100% guys. Safe na safe yung produkto nyo pagdating nyo sa inyo. Yan yung Film Collection. The quality that matter together. Quality matters from Film Collection. The same to film. So yan. Guys, ito na yung buong product ni Pabla. Yan. So yan guys, pinapakita lang natin sa inyo yung way pa how to prepare. So malay mo, mag-business ka rin ng perfume business. So may idea ka na kung paano siya ipack kasi fragile to eh. So kailangan maingat ka sa pagpack nito. So yan. Invoice or something. Yan. Then dito na nilalagay. So yan, dalawa na ngayon nga dito guys. So prepare pa yung iba. So yan, continuous. Hello. You finish?
Yeah.
I'm coming now, okay?
Where are you?
I'm just leaving at home now.
Okay, bye.
Okay. He let you go alone?
Yeah.
What he said? What you told him?
I leave. My dad is in the parking. I was lying.
Then what he said?
No, you're not lying.
Then what he said? It's okay?
I said okay. He thought, because I thought you were still there in the traffic.
Okay.
So I said my dad's in the parking. Bye.
If your instructor look at you
The
here,
instructor already
yeah.
left.
He left already.
Nagsisinungaling ka!
He was watching me like.
No, he was not lying. We're here already.
He was watching me exit like.
Okay, so yeah, okay guys. Yan, nakuha na natin si Ishan. Parang sinungaling yata, dito na daw kami. So yan.
Guys, the receptionist was looking at me like.
So,
No, just tell the receptionist my father is already outside.
I didn't know. I thought he was still there on the road.
so,
So I
yan.
went out.
So yan guys, dito na nakuha natin si Rishan. So let's go home na.
At least if the reception.
So yan, ito na yung ano. Ito na yung ano natin, delivery. 4. Yan, 4 yan dyan. Ano iwan ko, meron pa rin dito. Hindi pa natapos to, dito.
Hello po, this is
Marami pa.
Bukit Collection, the sister company of Fame Collections, ladies and gentlemen. Order na kayo. Okay?
Binili na kasi ng ano, ng Pugis Collection.
minsan pag nagbibenta ako, Fame Collection pa nasasabi.
Seriously, Pugis.
1, 2, 3, 4. At pang
Mabilis
5 to.
naman ni kaibigan ngayon.
Minsan,
So 5 yung delivery natin.
Ito yung video.
Ngayon, so
Ito yung video.
ginagawa lang natin tong video na to guys to alam mo to tell you na kung isa kang OFW, it's always possible. Kahit nasa CR ng bahay mo, kahit nasa bedroom ng bahay mo, kahit nasa balcony ng bahay mo, pwede kang mag-start ng maliit na business na katulad nito. So yan, dinadocumentary natin tong ginagawa natin guys kasi alam mo, nag-umpisa tayo 1 year ago. So those 1 year talagang it's always mayroon yung tinatawag na struggle. Alam mo, nag-i-struggle tayo. Kumbaga in-introduce natin yung produkto natin. Alam mo naman sa United Arab Emirates dito sa UAE, talagang ang competition dito pagdating sa mga kahit anong bagay, business, sports, or anything. Ang competition dito talagang napaka-igpit. You have to be knowledgeable to be at the top. So wala tayong knowledge, wala tayong kaalaman. Basta nag-start lang tayo na yung alam mo yung desire lang natin na mag-start. Later on, naniniwala tayo na if you just keep going, along the way, you will learn kung paano i-manage ang bagay na talagang tinatahak mo. It will give you idea, it will give you things na matunan and mag-grow kung ano yung dapat mong i-grow, especially dito sa business na ganito. So, yan guys, sinasabi ko sa inyo, it's always possible lalo na ngayon, sa panahon ngayon, sa panahon ngayon hindi katulad dati na ikaw pa yung maghahanap ng bibili ng produkto mo. Kailangan ka pang gumawa ng sarili mong store, physical store. Ngayon, hindi na ganun. Kaya ngayon yung perfect opportunity. Kung isa kang OFW, today, now is a perfect opportunity para sa'yo para magkaroon ng sarili mong tinatawag na business. Dahil, yun nga, hindi mo na kailangan magtayo ng store kung saan-saan. Kailangan mo lang talaga ng social media. So, ngayon, it's a social media era. Yung lumalabas na rin yung mga AI na mga thing. So, it's a perfect time for you to start your own online and small business.